Move tool in Figma. The Move tool in Figma, activated with the shortcut V, is your go-to for selecting, moving, and transforming objects. Let's dive into its powerful features and shortcuts to make your workflow seamless. To select an object, simply click on it. To select multiple objects, hold Shift and click on each one. Need to exclude something? Hold Shift and click it again to deselect. You can also click and drag to create a selection area. Made a mistake? No problem. Hold the spacebar to adjust the selection area before releasing the mouse button. Selecting objects within groups or frames is easy with the Move tool. Hold Command or Control on Windows while clicking to deep select objects nested inside, or double-click to go one level deeper. When an object is selected, a blue bounding box shows its dimensions. To measure the distance between two objects, select one, then hold Option or Alt on Windows while hovering over another. The distance will appear in red. Need to duplicate an object? Hold Alt or Option and drag the object to instantly create a copy. The Move tool also lets you resize or rotate objects. Drag the squares on the sides or corners of the bounding box to resize. Hold Shift to keep the proportions constrained. To rotate, move your cursor slightly outside a corner square, or hold Command or Control and drag. Here's a lesser-known trick. You can resize objects with your keyboard. Select an object, then hold Command or Control on Windows and use the arrow keys to adjust dimensions 1 pixel at a time. Hold Shift for big nudges, changing the size by 10 pixels at once. You can even customize this value in Preferences, nudge amount for precise control. The Move tool is more than just dragging and dropping. With these tips and shortcuts, you can fine-tune your designs with precision and speed. Master the Move tool and take your Figma skills to the next level.